Light up your off-road adventures with the Type S Elevate remote-controlled multicolor rock lights. Welcome to the Type S Garage. I'm Isaac, and today we're going to take a look at our Type S Elevate multicolor rock lights. Let's take a look at what comes with your multicolor rock light kit. We include screws, nuts, and washers, including self-tapping screws. We also include 3M double-sided tape to attach your hub controller to your vehicle. We also include mounting pads. Our rock lights come with 10 feet and 16.5 feet of wires. This is a look at the wire lead that comes off your rock lights. You attach this directly to your battery. We do recommend that you use wire terminals like these for your install. And finally, this is our remote control. This will allow you to adjust your colors and light modes. It comes with a pre-installed battery. Before you begin your install, we recommend you diagram where you want to route your wires and where you want to install the product. Always stay away from sources of heat and any parts that move. Like with any accessory, reference your vehicle's user manual before you install anything on your vehicle. If you have any questions or issues during your install, please reference the manual that comes with your product, contact our customer service, or visit typesauto.com.